TFNN Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's Tuesday. It's 9 a.m., 30 minutes to go until that opening bell, and we got markets in negative territory to start things off. Dow Jones leading the way in negative territory, off 119 points currently, trading at 25,786. S&P futures currently, negative by 8 points, trading at 2871, and NASDAQ futures negative by 29, trading at 74.30. We got some action in oil. We got some action in gold as well. We'll start things off. We'll jump over to the Nadex platform, check out some of the futures markets with 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. We'll start off with the S&P 500, currently trading at almost session lows, trading at 2871. The action to negative territory started last night at about 3 a.m. Eastern Time. We were up there at 2884. We're now about 13 S&P points below that level. NASDAQ 100, pretty similar action, hanging at highs overnight. 3 a.m. we're trading at 74.78. We're now about 50 NASDAQ 100 points below that level, trading at 74.25. Dow 30 trading lower for most of the overnight session as well. We're up there at 25,931. We're now about 150 Dow points below that level, approaching session lows. Dow futures trading at 25,782. Crude oil with some volatility this morning as well. At about 1 a.m., we're trading at 67.55. We proceed to spike up to almost $68. We'll call it $67.91. And from there, we pull back a bit. And as we speak, talk about some volatility. These are 5-minute bars we're looking at. You had oil just making session lows for a low of 67.49. And from there, we're up a solid 20 pennies just in the last few minutes, trading 67.71. Gold contract pulling back pretty decently this morning. Gold was up at about 12.03 overnight, and from there we're off almost $10. Gold trading under 1,200, 1194.45. And Bitcoin under 6,300. You got Bitcoin trading 62.71. In terms of what else you have happening in the market, last night you had Sonos coming out with their earnings, and not what you'd want to see if you were an investor in that company. So the stock trading as low as much as 15%. On a loss of 45 cents a share, revenue of $208 million, pretty much what they expected, but not what you're looking for. And to jump over to that chart, SONO. There's your number. Closed yesterday, $21.45, looking to open about $3 lower, almost $17.85. Stay tuned. Larry Pesavento coming up right now at 9 o'clock. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Have a great Tuesday, everybody.